Sunday. So today is Sunday and I have a lot of things to do. Like seriously, I have to clean my dirty clothes, my hair. No, I'm not going to take shower. I don't know because I took shower yesterday. Anyways, so yes, I have a lot of things to do today. Like I'm planning to shoot my haul video also because it's been such a long time I haven't shot any haul videos on. Yes, and I'm pretty late because I just woke up. Like it's 10:30 right now, so it's pretty late. So yeah, I did not have a lot of time, but I will manage. And I feel so energetic today. Like I took 8 hours of sleep, which is a good thing. So I'm really energetic, and look at my face. I am glowing. Yes. So yeah, and do I need to say something else? First of all, I'm going to drink some water because I am dehydrated and I really need to drink water. So it is raining outside. आई थॉट कि धूप आएगी मैं वीडियो शूट करूँगी बट नो आज का भी वेदर काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्लोमी है एंड एज यू कैन सी माई रूम ये नेचुरल लाइट आती नहीं है. यू कैन सी द विंडो ऑल्सो. इसके पीछे एक बिल्डिंग है तो सनलाइट पूरा ब्लॉक हो जाता है. आई एम सो एनीवेज कुछ तो करना है आज. So first of all, I'm going to clean my room. As you can see the background, it looks so messy. So yes. I was thinking to shampoo my hair, but right now I've just changed my mind. I'm not going to shampoo my hair because my hair feels good. So yeah, I'm not gonna take shower. I mean, I'm not gonna shampoo my hair. A safe and secure one. So as I said, it's raining outside, but थोड़ी धूप भी आ रही है. So let's see क्या होता है. I'm fresh. I mean, I took shower. बाल गीले नहीं किए मैंने, बट या सो मुझे यूट्यूब वीडियो शूट करना है एंड मैंने अभी तो कुछ नहीं खाया. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना हैव माय ब्रेकफास्ट. लाइक इट्स 12 समथिंग 12 PM समथिंग, बट यस कुछ तो खाना ज़रूरी है ना. सो यप, आई एम गोइंग टू हैव समथिंग. I'll show you what I have. So I have this quicker oats जो almost खत्म हो गई है and this Maggi. Which one I should eat right now? This is really boring by the way, and this is kind of tasty, so I'm just going with this Maggi. I know this is not healthy, but yes. So Maggi बन चुकी है. I'm just having it. It doesn't look good, does it? Anyways. I'm kind of late and I think it's raining outside. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं आज अपने YouTube वीडियो शूट कर पाऊँगी बिकॉज हमेशा ऐसे बैकग्राउंड नॉइजेस आते रहते हैं मेरी वीडियोस में एंड आई जस्ट डोंट फील गुड अबाउट इट बिकॉज वीडियो बहुत गंदी बनती है एंड आई कैंट टेक रिस्क. Anyways, this Maggie is not really good. Like it doesn't really taste good. Look at the weather and look at the room lighting. Like इस lighting में मैं वीडियो बिल्कुल भी नहीं शूट कर सकती. So यूट्यूब वीडियो शूट करने का जो प्लान है वो ड्रॉप हो चुका है. I mean, I'm not doing this today thanks to the weather. Anyways, I'm going to stay in my room all day because बाहर भी जाने लायक है नहीं. It's raining outside and I can't go anywhere. But I'll think about it like maybe in the evening. So yes. So इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लेने के बाद I've decided that I'm going out. Like कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे लेनी है जो मेरे लिए काफ़ी important है. And I just can't stay in my room all day. So yeah, I am going. And I'm just confused. What should I wear? Like I want to wear something comfortable. You can see there. Here are 3 bottoms that you can clearly see. This one is my favorite and this one is also my favorite, but इसकी length काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, so I'm not gonna wear it today because बारिश हुई है, so ये गंदी हो जाएगी. And this one is my all-time favorite, I would say. This is a trouser, black trouser pant, which I love the most, and I wear it a lot. Like I wear it most of the time. So yes, these are the 3 bottoms I have right now. And कौन सी टॉप पहनने वाली हूँ I'm not sure. So I'll show you some of my options. So this is what I have right now. I have these only. Like मैं सारे कपड़े तो लेके आऊँगी नहीं यहाँ पे. बहुत सारे कपड़े अभी भी मेरे घर पे रखे हुए हैं. So yes, I'm confused. What should I wear? I'm gonna be wearing something really comfortable. So after digging my all wardrobe, I found this comfy top. Yes, I'm going to wear this really simple mock neck top, which I wear most of the time. Like again, this is one of the comfiest top I have. And yeah, मुझे ज़्यादा लेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because मैं ज़्यादा टाइम बाहर नहीं रहूँगी. It's raining. I mean, कभी भी बारिश हो रही है. So let's get ready. So I am ready. I took more than 1 hour to just get ready like this. I mean, इसमें इतना ready होने की क्या बात थी? Yes, but anyways, it's 6:30 something. Wait, so it's 6:23 right now, and I have to come back by 7:30 or something. Yes, so let's go. And look at my hair, it looks really frizzy, so I'm just thinking to do like this. I'm literally really confused. So should I do like this? This is my clutcher. This looks pretty simple and casual. Like yes. Which one I should carry? So I'm just thinking to carry this tote bag because मुझे इसमें अपना छाता भी लेना है. And you can see this one is so tiny. इसमें मेरा छाता नहीं आने वाला है. So yes, my छाता. So done. So I'm back, yes, and now I'm quickly gonna change and will have my dinner जो मैं लेके आई हूँ अपने साथ. Yes. So this is my dinner right now. I'm going to have this. It is average. So ऐसे खा के मैं edit करूँगी अपनी videos, and then I'll talk to my mummy, my brother, my dee, and after that I will sleep. So yeah, that's all for Sunday. Bye everyone. Yes, see you guys in the next vlog or my YouTube haul video. And till then, bye bye. Take care.